Hi, Jerry from Comfort here to talk about the Comfort Casement window. You know, the casement window is a classic look on many American homes, and you find them a lot on waterfront property. They're a perfect window for maximum ventilation. Comfort custom sizes these windows as replacement windows in your home. Beautiful thing about Comfort Casement window is they're available in one section, two sections, three sections, 4, 5, 6, and even a 3-section window with a larger picture window in the middle. So the combinations are almost limitless. Operating a Comfort Casement window is actually a breeze. You lift up the hardware and there's multi-point hardware that locks this window in 3 places. You lift up the fold-away handle and you crank that window open, and you can get select ventilation, just a little or complete maximum ventilation of actually both sashes. So it's a perfect window if you're looking to maximize your ventilation. Cleaning a Comfort Casement window is also a breeze because as the window opens, it leaves the corner and walks over, so you can actually get your hand inside of here to clean the exterior of the window. Selective ventilation. If the wind is blowing too hard from one way and not from another way, you can open and close these to actually scoop the ventilation inside your home. One of the unique features of a Comfort window is its triple step sash. You have a bulb flange on the outside, then the window steps down, and then another sealer on the inside, so when this window closes, it completely locks into the pocket. It is one of the tightest sealing windows you can get from Comfort Window. When that window is sealed, all you'll have to do is grab this lock, pull it closed, locks it in 3 places, fold the handle back in so it doesn't get in the way of the mini blinds. You'll never have to worry about a Comfort window sticking. These are pure vinyl, they're non-porous, you're not going to have to go outside and pound them closed. You will never strip the hardware because the window is meant to last a lifetime. We manufacture these windows right here in Central New York, made for our type of weather. They're also available in every Comfort glass that's available. This one happens to show what they call cut crystal V-groove glass. So your glass combinations are limitless. Remember, Comfort installs these, manufactures these, all with our own employees, never a subcontractor, and they're available with Comfort's all-inclusive lifetime limited warranty. A perfect replacement window if you're looking for that classic look.